You're watching BCS Under the Lights.
We are now nearing the high school bowling season in Alabama. Ramsay High School's team is ready to compete. Head coach John Benjamin is here with us and his team ready for their preparations for this season's first match. Coach Ben, everybody calls him Benjamin, but we know him as Coach Ben. Coach Ben, how's everybody? How you doing?
I'm doing good.
Now you've got your team, you're ready for bowling. Tell us what you're doing for your preparations for you guys to get ready.
Well, first things first, we're excited, number one. We have a great team this year, and our preparations have been ongoing. We've been practicing, we've been working on the individual skills development, and most importantly, we're coming together cohesively as a team, we're bonding. And what I'm really excited about is the fact that we have just pretty much our returning players, with addition to some great players. The team has progressed from the start of practice to this day, and we continue to get better and better.
Okay.
The sky's the limit.
Yeah,
the sky's the limit.
Now, I'm looking at your teammates. You have obviously a men's team and a women's team.
Correct.
Who do you have with you today?
Well, we have all our returning starters, and we have a young man who's joining us this year. He's a 9th grader from WJ Christian. Introduce yourself.
I'm LeBrian.
Well, he doesn't have a microphone. What's his name?
LeBrian.
LeBrian?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we have Akil, who's returning. Larissa, she's a returning. Isaac, he's joining us this year.
All right.
Taj was joining us. Jada was joining us. So we have some new addition, and we expecting them to help us.
Coach, we left out one of the coaches.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This is my volunteer assistant.
There you go. There you go.
He's hiding behind you. I can't see him. Get over where I can see you. And this is our volunteer assistant. He sacrificed his time. And I do thank him. I do appreciate him for all that he does. This is Mr. Parker. And this is his 2nd year with us. And he has been instrumental in our development.
Yeah. I'm looking at the video, you guys, right here, how you won. Look at the trophies that you guys did from last year. I'm going to ask some of your players, what was it like last year to play and be ready to go this year? Anyone jump in?
Okay, I'll go. It was so amazing. We have a wonderful team togetherness, and every time we go to practice or we get ready for a game, it feels like a family. And so instead of thinking of it as a sport, it's really just like we're enjoying ourselves.
Okay. I don't think a lot of people realize you can go to college on a bowling scholarship. But real quickly, how does somebody get their child involved if they're going to Ramsay or with bowling? How can they get involved?
Very simple. And I do want Mr. Parker to also add to what I'm going to say. No, he doesn't have a headset. One of the things is that we don't cut. You come to us, you say, hey, coach, we would like to play.
Yeah.
Come on. Whether you have the skill set or not, we will train you. And Mr. Parker has done a great job in assisting me in recruiting those kids from Ramsay. And that's what we like to do.
Okay.
We like to recruit from within.
Okay.
And most of those kids, we ask them and say, hey, would you like to join the bowling team? Yes, coach. This young man right here, I've been trying my best. This year I got him.
We got it. Okay.
And the beauty of it, he's learning real fast.
Okay.
And so they're doing a great job.
All right. Well, fantastic. Thanks so much, guys, for being here with us. So don't go anywhere. There's more BCS Under the Lights after the break.
Stay in the know with Birmingham City Schools. Download our brand new BCS mobile app in Google Play or the App Store.